Feels so good, dude. So sick. Yeah, the action's great. The neck is great. Looks beautiful. It's funny because like in so many different crafts, I feel like you hear people say like gear doesn't matter, whether it's like photography, guitar equipment, whatever it is. You know, you can make something with very little. But I feel like it's only to an extent. You know, I feel like when you're in a creative field, like the equipment you have, the gear that you have, should be high quality and it should inspire you. That's one thing that I've realized is oftentimes when using any of my stuff, when I like the piece of equipment, like when it inspires me, I feel like I create better or I play better. I feel like this guitar is one of those things. Like you sit down and you just want to keep playing. Sounds great, feels great. Yeah, dude, super rad.